Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer photos and videos from your iPhone over to an external hard drive or a USB drive. Now, if you wanted to back up all of your photos and videos and you wanted to put it on a physical storage device like a USB drive or an external hard drive, it's super easy to do. I'll walk you through the entire process. Now, the first thing that we're going to do here, you can see I have my USB drive. However, this USB drive defaults to USB 2. It's kind of the old USB version, and that is not compatible with your iPhone. Most new iPhones have a USB-C port. So you'll be able to see, let me try to get this in frame here. USB-C, essentially that is the port that you plug in at the bottom of your iPhone. So that is what you need. You need an adapter or a USB-C and a phone with USB-C. Now after that, there are some considerations. You need to make sure that your Mac, or your iPhone rather, is compatible with the formatting on that external hard drive. You can see the iPhone is compatible with exFAT, APFS, Mac OS Extended, and FAT32. However, if this external hard drive is formatted to NTFS, which is only Windows, or multi-partition, then it will not be available, or it just won't recognize it when you plug it in to your iPhone. So make sure it's formatted correctly, and after you've done that, it's easy to transfer them. So let's hop out of here, and the next thing I'm going to do is just take my actual USB hard drive and I'm going to plug it into the charging port on my iPhone. After I've done that, it will pop up with this Allow Accessory, tap Allow. Take your finger and swipe down and type in Files. Tap on the Files app at the top left. And you should be able to see that external hard drive pop up here. In my case, no name. If you don't see it pop up, unfortunately the formatting is not correct and you need to go over to a computer or just get a different thumb drive or hard drive to make sure the formatting is correct. After we've done that, let's dump some photos and videos in it. Tap on the Photos app at the top right. And in this case, I'm going to tap Select at the top right, because I want to select a few different photos. Let's say these ones of my camera lens. Tap the Share button at the bottom left. Scroll down. Tap on Save to Files. Tap the back arrow at the top left because it usually defaults to Downloads. Tap the back arrow again until you get to this screen and you see Locations. Under Locations should be your USB hard drive. Tap on that and tap on Save at the top right. And it will export those photos and videos to that external hard drive. Let's just jump over to the Files app here and you can confirm that they are in there now. You can see on here, I can always go through and select all of these and delete them or share them. But when I'm ready to go, there's no true eject button on your iPhone like there would be on a computer. So all you need to do is take your USB hard drive and at that point, remove it. You can see it pops out and it's no longer on your iPhone. And all those photos and videos are now on your external hard drive. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.